Hi, I'm Louise Phillips Forbes from Brown Harris Stevens, and I am so excited to be here with you at the prestigious Alwyn Court. Apartment 11A, my latest and newest exclusive, and I have so much to share with you. Let's see what it all has to offer. Built in 1909 by Hardy and Short, Alwyn Court is one of New York's most significant and interesting pieces of architecture that is offered. It was landmarked in 1966 and added to the National Registry of Historic Places in 1979. The interior facade, as you enter into the building, is a carved stone painted facade by Richard Haas on the full-length courtyard walls, paired by an atrium design that is just flawless, that brings you from the outside in. This home is grand and gracious. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, which lay across 1,754 square feet. It also is a corner northeastern exposure, sun-filled with morning light, and truly is the ideal space for art lovers and culture indulgers. This layout was made for entertaining, featuring ceiling heights of 10.5, wood-burning fireplace, and northern and eastern exposures. A has everything that one would need, consisting of scale, oversized windows, high ceilings, gracious entrance gallery, dining foyer, updated luxury bathrooms and kitchen, and there's just so much more. Thank you again for joining me. I'm Louise Phillips Forbes, and I can't wait to share it all with you now.